name is Sanket Dehankar, and I am here to share my experience about AGBA, that is Aegis Graham Bell Award. Uh, Currently, I am pursuing my computer engineering BTech degree from MIT Academy of Engineering R&D Pune. I hail from Nagpur, and I did my primary and secondary education from Nagpur itself. So, talking about AGBA National Talent Hunt, firstly, I would like to thank the college CPO for letting me know and providing me the insights to AGBA National Talent Hunt. And as per my message to my juniors regarding my preparation strategies, I would like to say start as early as possible, because if you start at the end moment, it would be a difficult task for you to compete with the other participants. What I felt about AGPA National Talent Hunt is it's really a good platform for AI, ML, data scientists, enthusiasts to and showcase their talent and get rewards. The rewards which they provide are extremely fabulous. So regarding my preparation for AGPA, it all started in the month of May. I was told about the first round around 2 to 3 days before the initial conduction of the round. So I had quite less time for my preparation. So I just focused on the basics. And so as the competition was mostly about AI, ML, and data science, I tried to focus on making my basic strongs about AI, ML, data science. So within a day or two, I just brushed up my AI, ML, and data science basics. And apart from it, I practiced a bit of aptitude. Like in every competitive exam, you have some sort of aptitude questions involved in it. The next thing, after I faced my first round as a senior, I would like to guide my juniors be prepared with day-to-day analysis as well. For example, like there might be a question, like there was a question wherein a situation was given and you had to analyze the question and perform and guess the answer. Apart from this, you have to be good at your computer basics. That is, you should know about computer architecture, and apart from this, you should be good at statistics in particular if we consider mathematics as one of the part of the competition. So overall, I would say for the first round, a person should be good in mathematics, in particular statistics, the basics of computers, and a few questions about day-to-day life. Also, you should also be familiar with programming languages, because there were some questions related to programming languages as well. Now moving on to the second round, which was a personal interview. Like it is one of the most difficult interview I have ever given, because I was not only tested for my technical skills, but I was also tested for my managerial and behavioral skills as well. So I'll share my experience, what exactly happened with me in the interview. So it started with my basic introduction, wherein I was asked to introduce myself. So it went on smoothly. The next questions were related to my projects. So my advice to my juniors is be thorough with your projects, and be thorough in the sense you should be well versed with the technical part of your projects. Like if you are doing a project, then you should be able to explain the entire algorithm in detail, because the judges fire you with all sorts of questions related to your project. The next thing which they tested me was about my mathematical skills. So regarding my mathematical skills, like regarding questions on mathematics, I would say uh, practice a bit of questions from class 11th and 12th mathematics relating to the topics of integration, derivatives, differentiation, circles. Like I was directly asked equations of circles, straight line, parabola. I was asked to solve an integration question. What is a derivative, maxima, minima? So I guess one should be familiar with class 11th and 12th mathematics as well. Apart from this, I was asked basic questions related to data science, AI, and ML. So for preparation for AI, ML, and data science, I guess you cannot prepare it in one day. So definitely you have to be familiar with all sorts of concepts related to AI, ML, and data science beforehand. So I would suggest start as early as possible. Try to gain knowledge about each and every concept related to AI, ML, and data science, because they would definitely test your skills on those concepts. And I would also suggest to have a bit knowledge about general knowledge, because they might ask, like few of my friends were asked general questions about the daily happenings around us. So be familiar with basic news which is happening around you. And apart from this, as far as I remember, I was also asked about my behavioral skills. Like there was a question like, how do you see yourself after 5 years? So be prepared with all sorts of interview questions. And to conclude with the interview, I would say, first of all, be familiar with your projects. It should be bang on, like your project should be 100% prepared. Second thing is, be prepared with your mathematical skills. Third thing would be, have basic knowledge about concepts related to AI, ML, and data science. Then the fourth thing would be, have a basic knowledge about general knowledge happening around you, and you should also be good with analytical skills. Like they might ask you a situation based question, and you should be able to answer this. And last, I would say, be confident, because interviewer definitely sees in your confidence level while speaking to you. Be confident, be comfortable, and I would just say all the best for the upcoming batches. Thank you.